How to set vivid filter on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the icon as shown. From here, tap on the filters icon with the 3 overlapping circles to show the filter strip. You can now view all the available filters. Swipe along the previews and go to Vivid to select it. The live preview updates immediately, showing richer color and deeper contrast. And then, tap on the capture button to take a photo. Tap on the media at the bottom left corner to view the photo you just took. The photo returns to the viewer with a vivid filter applied and ready to use. These changes are non-destructive and can be adjusted again at any time for a polished look. Following these steps, you can easily set vivid filter on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.